next thing we are going to do is relations between India and Soviet Union or Russia. The Soviet Union has helped India considerably in establishing heavy and key industries. So Soviet Union or Russia has really helped India to set up industries, okay, and big industries in India. The Soviet Union has taken India's side on the issue of Jammu and Kashmir. They have often exercised their veto power. So what has happened is that in Soviet Union or Russia has always supported India in the issue of Jammu and Kashmir, and they have also exercised something called veto power. Now this veto power is something which only the 5 countries in the Security Council can do. That is America, Russia, China, Britain and France. Okay, they won the World War II and they have this thing called veto power, wherein any decision if any country is taking, if out of these 5 members, even if one does not agree, the decision will not be taken. Okay, so what has happened in the state, in the condition of Jammu and Kashmir, Russia has always supported India and has also exercised veto power to support India in United Nations Security Council to see the proposal against India pertaining Jammu and Kashmir issue should not pass. In this way, Russia and India is very close friend relations. So what has happened, Russia has always supported India in Jammu and Kashmir issue, and if any decision which is against India in the case of Jammu and Kashmir, Russia has always used its veto power in order to stop that decision from being done. And since then the relations between Russia and India has been very good.